Hey guys, good morning. On that now, 5:40 now, and it's Tuesday. Me a plan for carrying on with me through the week, cause yeah, I see our festivities come down. So stay tuned or whatever. I contemplate more in my ear down or up. Not when I comment. I joke, cause why make a tell and say oh make not when I comment when time make already wear it done. Anyways, so you guys, let's go.
Made I'm watching Bumpy. I am a farmer. With them rude people here, cause them just rude. I said chat.
C'est pas le people you mean to beer?
Oh my god, what is that?
I said guys, them guys stick on my pan camp because I'll be evident.
What you want me to know?
Say hi. Boy, 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 boy. Say guys, what does the Return back. Start back to black. Are you gonna tell them that? Cut that out. Say hi guys. Say hi first. Hi. Yes, chat. There. No. No, you don't have one. No, I have one. Wait it, wait it. Relax, man. Relax, man. Say guys, you see the most annoying drummer. The most annoying. I want to go to the most annoying drummer. Alright, when I get up to relax. Relax. That's annoying. One being annoying. I will find you.
Shut up, man.
Same time.
Bathing time, time is over now, bathing time. We go wash and shave and we are behave and it's
Wash your arm and then bottom.
and then you wash it and brush it, don't repeat.
No, you must be. Why would no! Hello! Hello! No! Look at that one like that. Oh, we're gonna do that. Alright, you have to sing. Yes. That not delete. That not delete. Alright, chat. Eh? Well now, Daniela, you go lift some chairs. I'm vlogging. No. So guys, in here somewhat clean now. Somewhat clean. Yes. No, I'm not. Danny. Danny. I tried to stay different. I was telling I almost 9:30 guys. Julie, why you so boy saying? Yes, all I want, brother, brother. The name grass bag. Can you not say me play? We just slow it. What? Can you shut up? As a bigger person, can you shut up? Thank you. That's what I thought, Miller. But yeah, that's attack. You're attacking me right now. Yeah, that's attacking me. Guys, just some. I'm not like.
So guys, morning. Wake up all I wake up and for a yeah, I can't sleep. But anyways, so yeah, me I go. You gotta be at 5 o'clock. And who can get up? We'll get some Jonathan is a semi. So yeah, chat.
You got the glory, man.
Revolutionary.
time now, chat. No time now, chat. I got iron chat.
And we sell for it.
You see, no, sorry, look how long in here, come on now. I got steam up my face, guys.
And when do we
Guys,
come back over here?
check my money still intact. Although it's supposed to be still intact. But I'm murdering them in here.
Yeah, my general.
Guys.
Man, no, I go over here.
Oh, my face is very dry over right now. I'm using kojic acid too. By the way, guys, if you want kojic acid soap, you can like me now. I'm only bad music as moisturizer. If you don't want, if you want to my moisturizer, if you want to buy me moisturizer, it's fine. Y'all can, If I look in need of moisturizer, go back. Oh my god! What is that? What is that?
Left.
And then, I found the big pan still, so I'm stupid. Chat, I still have my.
Am I your phone keeper?
Sir.
Is that your sign?
Let me go say. Sir, we need a sign there for you. The sign. We are rehearsing. Everybody hungry now. Everybody hungry in a rehearsal, And sir decides he want to go spike we and eat food. Like, sir, seriously? Yeah. And some tea. Tea good for the soul. I don't never drink tea. You find out when we drink tea. No, sir. I forgot somebody will mix up sugar chat. Jesus. I attend the fashion. Say it to my vlog. Hey guys, I look warm today. So guys, I know see a breast cancer once and you just let me in.
I trust it, guys.
I pay me 150.
Trust it.
So chat, I have my light on, but I get sweetie. But I'm bad about it. I have my light on, but I get sweetie chat. I'm too done. Present. But cool, it's a sweetie chat. And that's a syringe. I'm funny.
This is a storage. This is a
Cornell.
Where she call this a while ago? Where she call this a while?
It's a bird.
Measuring stick.
It's a bird.
Like with zero money. Wait, so for pour on what is the better? So what I for pour on? But it full fast. Me too short.
Voila.
You will surprise. Just don't touch it. Chew it in the very part.
Yeah, we are.
Alright, so I'm gonna share explain this to best of my abilities. So basically we are take up water in the pipette this so for chewing the acid. I think at the base that we are take up for chewing the acid cup, like we're putting another cup there. And then we're gonna put acid with the chewing the birret in the cup as well with that, and then we're gonna check the temperature. Remember for it? Oh yeah, we have to do it the base first before we put the acid in there for check the temperature. Yeah, chat.
After that.
No, we're not sure. Read us.
No, but what's it after that? No. What are last after that?
Yeah, guys, so I'm just done rehearse and sing. So, me go link with working at the night. So what time now? 5 o'clock. You chat. So, kisses, bye.
Yes, that sounds very good about that, right?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Make sure to reach the finals when this year and win.
We will win, chat.
Yes, we
So, I'm up to my pretender, son. Sit down, boom. So, in the bus, guys, chatting at the bus, chatting. So, I'm like that. Me not going at the bus. Me at the bus, and we're about to go to TVJ. Yeah, chat. So, they're dead. Yeah, guys. Anyways, we're going to see when we reach at TVJ. No girl. Hello, no boy. 1, 2, 3. No boy. No girl. This my girl. Oh, no school. No school.
No school.
Alright, then I go say no school here. What? Una is me. Alright.
country, not no school.
That's our YouTube channel. The camera there.
We don't want to graduate once. We don't want to see them short. Hold on. So, the fit check. Alright. Fit check. Man, them just know I'm below. Give me. Yeah. 2 kilo. So, now yeah. Below pants. The OPT, no. Modest t-shirt. JOTD.
It's too big cause it's a shirt with this girl, you know. But you know the drill, bro. Be kind to one another, you know. Yeah. Like up the TikTok and things, you know.
And the video.
Whatever this is, you know.
He didn't. Alright, so chat. Chat. My voice gone. My voice gone, guys. Say, brother. Anyways, my voice gone and be things. We name up that in a chat. We name up that. Clock it, man. No school, man. No school, man. One sit down.
Can't even stand.
Brother, my voice. Yo, I don't even know. My voice gone. But when I reach my heart, I'm going to know the scores, them and them something. And stuff. Yeah, chat.
Come back from Brazil, so we leave out now. Oh, we leave we're driving out of, yo, Sonny, we're driving out of TV, yeah. Okay.
Welcome back to season 19 of TVJ's All Together Sing. It's audition show number 2, but this school didn't come to audition. They came to compete. Up next is a school who is no stranger to the All Together Sing stage. We're talking about the darlings of East Kingston. Here is Camperdown High performing 80th Time.
Finna the scheme, brand new flow with a veteran feel. We don't touch down and we tougher than steel. We not run joke when we touch while you scream. Beat the drum, the revolution real. We want, we want, we want, we. Can't you see it's an emergency? All up, but I pray for that coffee with drinks. So we turn up the frequency. This day is full of noise. We walk by faith, not by sight. Yes, I'm marching in the army of the light. No, we're not afraid, I'm ready to fight. Since I can't get so then try. Yes, I'm marching in the army of the light. See, now we're stepping at the field like Commander and Marcos. And if I can't team, so they claim we rock us. We not forget, so we handbook taught us. So we bar perfect, so we have to talk. Have to talk, so Mr. Rush and Gary. The power that I be, I try get we weary. So fools that embrace it, the witness is scary. And I be contrary, yeah, we no fear it. Yes, I'm marching in the army of the light. No, we're not afraid, we're ready to fight. Central feel it, they're on a strike. Yes, I'm marching in the army of the light. Can we talk for a minute? ATS, you know our names. Can we talk for a minute? At first place, please place.
The young people would normally say, rep, rep. No wonder you're the diamonds of East Kingston. You didn't come here to audition, man. You come here to compete. Enough said, that's 92 for me.
When you talk about a song that's original, this is what it is. Original music, original lyrics, original dance, everything. The arrangement of everything was good. I liked your transitions. They were smooth and they were surprising. And those are the things that make a competition. You know who is coming up in the competition. I also enjoyed your accompaniment, your backup for your song. Very good. And the only thing is that because you're singing so many words, there are some places that you could articulate a little more so that we could hear those fabulous words that you have there. But, you know, like you said, real war, emergency, you really mean business. I'm telling you, 92 for me.
Jumper down. So can we talk for a minute or less? The creativity, turn up. Nice dynamics, strong performance, nice musical surprises, beautiful sound, a beautiful tone, and all of what you said about yourself at the beginning are true. Wanna come for show off. And it was really good. The soloist, you're ready for the road, yeah? 95 for me.
So good morning, guys. It's now Friday. Yeah, my voice gone from yesterday. They have altogether thing. So mighty God. So today I go on the road. I'm not go to school today because I need my things to do. Yeah, I'm go on the road with my mother. So yeah. So I'm OTD, but I need to drink something a little out right now. So my mother said to come and say, oh my God, a weekly flag. What if I'm open? They can't hear me. I'm open. They can't hear me. Jesus Christ. But you guys touch him up in my face. Well, I'm going to do my ear. Morning. So the OTD chapter and so oh. So
So chat, may I go back up to school right now. May I go up to school, go add in some papers and something. School I keep now, but I still have something to do, isn't it? So guys, I go buy food. I forgot for video because why I did hungry. I never really meet video I see, so I go buy a wings box to myself and I also buy some other things for some people in I carry some. Yeah, probably that's time I forgot to vlog.